Good morning, students. Today we are going to see summary and moral of the story. Short story. It is a very simple short story. Three questions by Leo Tolstoy. Now, Leo Tolstoy, one of the greatest author of all time, he wrote realistic fictions which vividly embody a vision of human experience found in day-to-day life. I will start reading the summary. In the story, Three Questions, a king has three questions. Obviously, that he needs answered. The first question is, when is the right time to do anything? The second question is, who are the most important people to turn to and to avoid? The third question is, what is most important thing to do? He calls various wise men to his side in order to get an answer to his questions. However, they all provide him with different and non satisfying answers. He then decides to dress as a commoner in order to visit a hermit or a wise man. He goes to the woods with a bodyguard and tells him to stay and watch for followers. When the king sees the hermit is digging holes. The king asks his questions many times and helps the hermit shovel for a day. The next day, what happens is a man with a wound falls down in front of the king and the hermit. They help him, and it turns out that the man was a warrior from another kingdom. He said that the king killed his brother in battle. He came to kill the king but was wounded by his bodyguard. The man promises to be his most loyal servant for serving his life. The hermit then tells the man that his question was answered. The right time was when he had stayed longer than he expected to shovel. The right time was now. The right person was a hermit, the person whom you are with in the now. And the most important thing to do was help the hermit, the thing that present itself in the now. What have we understood here? Present moment is the only time when we have the power to modify or change our actions or to take decisions. Living in this very moment means letting go of the past. Stop grumbling about it. Also stop being too much anxious about tomorrow or worrying about future. You have a gift of life. What you are at this present moment, you are alive and breathing in this very moment. That is important. So say stop to all the regrets of the past memories. All your actions are done. All the events have already happened. Neither you nor anybody else can change all it for you. These moments are gone, aren't they? So, kids, simply enjoy current reality, become aware of what is going on around you fully consciously. Why focus too much on the past or the future to jeopardize your present? This is a mistake we all do most of the time. So, what happens is most of the time we think too much about the past or the scary future. Living in the present moment is a secret to having healthy mind and body. So the moral of the story is present moment is the only important time, but because it is passing. Present people around us, they are the most important. So try to do good to them. And the present action, which are the important ones, they are the important, and that is something that you can focus on fully. So have a nice day, all of you.